have the best idea.
Who's having a good time? You are.
She prefers Black Canary. She's got a killer voice. I don't need your help. I got this.
You got this?
Where can I find Cassandra Kane?
What the hell are you doing here?
Okay, you're awake. Toss that for me, will you?
Do you know who I am?
She calls herself
Huntress.
f***ing fabulous, if you ask me.
You are so cool.
Meet Renee Montoya.
Harley Quinn and the Joker broke up. Did I stutter?
Dance. Go show those bitches you don't mess with Roman Sionis!
AKA Black Mask.
Ooh, I love it.
Come on!
So, unless we all want to die very unpleasant deaths, we're gonna have to work together.
Sure.
Because I'm Harley Quinn. Bravo.